Src Incorporated, formerly Syracuse Research Corporation, is an independent, not-for-profit research and development company that develops solutions for customers in the defense, environment, and intelligence industries. Src is chartered by the state of New York, with headquarters in North Syracuse, New York. The company develops advanced radar, electronic warfare, communications systems, and conducts intelligence consulting and engineering, environmental chemistry, toxicology, and risk assessment. Syracuse Research Corporation was founded in 1957 as a not-for-profit arm of Syracuse University. The organization was formed to work on projects relative to America's national security. Src provided Syracuse University's faculty with a vehicle to obtain grants and contracts, which could be used to pursue their research ideas. The company became an independent organization in the early 1970s. In 2008, Src officially changed its name from Syracuse Research Corporation to Src Incorporated. Src's government research monies were exhausted in 1970 to 71, and employment fell to about 150 employees within a year. In 1972, Src spun off as a separate entity. The separation from the university was concluded in 1975. For the next 20 years, Src's employment fluctuated between 150 and 200. During this time, several high-tech businesses were spawned, including Anaran Microwave Incorporated and Leybold Inficon. Src continued to grow steadily throughout the 1990s. In 2006, Src created Src Tech, an ISO 9001 registered subsidiary that provides manufacturing and logistics support for electronics systems. Src has offices in Colorado, Maine, Maryland, New York, Ohio, Texas, and Virginia. Src employs more than 1,100 people. Src serves the defense, environment, and intelligence industries, and is nationally recognized in the design, development, and manufacture of advanced radar, electronic warfare and communications systems for land, sea, air, and space applications. Src also services the environmental science industry by performing analysis of environmental and toxicological interactions, and conducting research in environmental chemistry, toxicology, and chemical risk assessment methodology. Src also researches, develops, and deploys intelligence solutions for national security. Src Tech provides manufacturing and lifecycle support for electronics systems, including counter-fire radars, air surveillance radars, counter-IED, and ground surveillance radars. Src and Src Tech customers include the intelligence community, U.S. Department of Homeland Security, U.S. Department of Defense, U.S. Army, U.S. Air Force, U.S. Navy, U.S. Marines, and the Environmental Protection Agency, as well as being a partner and team member with other government contractors. As a not-for-profit organization, Src reinvests its earnings in employee training, professional development, benefits, new facilities and equipment, internal research and development projects, and business diversification initiatives. Src was named one of the best companies to work for in New York by the New York State Society for Human Resource Management, SHRM, and Best Companies Group, SHRM's Donlin Award for Family-Friendly Workplace. In 2011, Src made Fortune magazine's 100 Best Companies to Work For in 2011.